Hey guys, today we talk about how can you add your phone number on your Walmart app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on account down here. So when you click on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on contact info and password. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open with you here. Then you will find here add phone number. Click on add. When you click here on add, so then it's going to show for you list like this. And here can you add enter verification code here. So from your email, then you click on continue, then it's going to take you to add your phone number. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.